In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a free 14-day trial on ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have your account set up and be ready to start building your first funnel without being charged during the trial period. First, open your preferred web browser and go to clickfunnels.com. Make sure you're on the official site by checking the address bar for the correct spelling and a secure connection. Once the home page loads, look for the prominent button that says Start Free 14-Day Trial. It's usually front and center, but if you don't see it right away, scroll a bit or check the header area. Click that button to begin. You'll land on a sign-up form where you'll enter your basic information. Provide your name and email, then create a password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere to keep your account secure. If your browser offers to save your login, consider using a trusted password manager so you don't lose access later. Next, you'll add your payment details. Enter your credit card information exactly as it appears on your card, including the correct billing address. Don't worry, you won't be charged during the 14-day trial. This step helps verify your account and ensures uninterrupted access if you decide to continue after the trial. If you're concerned about charges, you can set a reminder a day or two before the trial ends so you can decide whether to continue. Before proceeding, review the terms and conditions. It's a good idea to skim the key points so you understand what's included and how billing works after the trial. When you're ready, check the box to agree to the terms. The checkbox must be selected to continue. Now, click Start Free Trial. The system will create your account and log you into your new dashboard. From here, you can explore templates, familiarize yourself with the interface, and begin building funnels right away. If it's your first time, take a moment to look around the navigation menus so you know where to find funnels, pages, and settings. That's it. Your free trial is active, and you can start experimenting with landing pages, opt-in forms, and sales flows. Keep an eye on any onboarding tips inside the dashboard. They're helpful for learning best practices quickly. And remember, the trial is risk-free, so use this time to test features and see how they fit your workflow. When you're ready, start building and watch your ideas take shape.